Okay, I have a tip for you for your riding mower, push mower, whatever. If I can show you here, we'll get some light on this. If you look inside this deck here, even here in the guard, you can see how there's grass buildup and whatnot right here in this mower. So I'm going to show you a tip, especially this time of the year in the fall, to help get that thing really clean. Okay, like many, this time of the year, and myself, I have lots of leaves. I have some here in the driveway of my shop, and I have some in the driveway of my house. But I'm going to use these leaves, and I'm going to mulch them up with that mower, and I'm going to show you how they will clean out the deck. Now that deck isn't terribly dirty, but we're going to give it a try. Alright, let's see what kind of result we have here. Gonna have a little bit of leaves to clean off, but let's take a look and we'll see how good I clean that. Look at that. A little bit in there yet, but I'll tell you, we didn't run it very long, but there, take a look at that. How to clean a lot of that out of your mower deck. Like I said, there's still a little bit there, but big help. And then you get your, think about it there, you mulch your leaves up, and then on top of that, you're cleaning your deck out too. So not only am I going to, I showed you with, in this video, with cleaning out a mower deck, but all these leaves around here. I'm also going to use my New Holland 1025. I used this 3-point hitch mower before I take it off. I'm going to run this through. Let's see how dirty this is. Yep, that could use a good cleaning. So we'll run some leaves through this and see how it does. See if we can get that deck cleaned up pretty good. Alright, let's have a look at this thing and see how clean it got. I've cleaned that out pretty good. I think I'm going to run that mower a little more. Yeah, I cleaned that out pretty good. So you can see how well that running leaves through your mower deck will clean it. Take some of these clippings from cutting up all the leaves, and I'm going to stick them in my garden. A couple things it does: brings rich organic matter back into the garden, but on top of that, it'll actually draw, I've seen in the past where it'll bring worms in as well. So we want right there, piled it up real nice with that simplicity. Now we'll get a scoop here. Now I'm just going to take I'll probably run my harrow through it and mix it in with the ground really good. So I'm a finished shot. Scooping this up, load it into the garden. Like once I dumped it in the garden, I'll mix that in later on. This is GMAC, like, subscribe. But yeah, this is just using an old Craftsman mower here. Did do a swap on this thing, change it from automatic to manual. GMAC Senior did that. But yeah, this simple video on mulching up leaves with your riding mower. Clean your mower deck out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and remember, keep on wrenching.